As a continued part of the self-published book unboxing series, we're going to look at the CreateSpace Book print-on-demand distribution platform, so stay tuned. Welcome to Self-Publishing with Dale, where you'll learn to publish books that sell and build an unstoppable brand. As a continuing part of the self-published book unboxing series, we're going to take a look at the CreateSpace Book distribution platform. There is many great features about CreateSpace that many of us are going to miss since their merge to KDP Print. However, there are a few people that are still sticking around over on the CreateSpace platform, so I was very fortunate to reach out to one of the indie authors and supporters of the channel to see if I could actually get something from CreateSpace headquarters. It should be noted, we're going to be focusing on three qualities when reviewing some of these books when we're unboxing them. We're focused on delivery time, shipping and handling, and the quality. We're going to take a look at these three key metrics when it comes to all these distribution platforms. So without any further ado, let's take a look at CreateSpace's distribution. I'm very happy with CreateSpace. They have really taken care of me and thousands of other indie authors. The content that they put out is stellar and their delivery method is really good. But let's go ahead and take a look at my experience when it came to getting these two books in the mail. Now, Mary actually ordered this and it took about 12 days to get to my place. This was standard shipping, and this is typical for CreateSpace. There's never any real rush. It's not like using Amazon Prime. When you order direct from CreateSpace's platform, it's typically going to take about a week to 2 weeks to get to your house. The shipping and handling I have always been very happy with over on the CreateSpace platform. They get it. As a person who likes books, I like collecting books, I like having them, I like them to be in good, near pristine condition. So you can imagine how underwhelmed I am when I receive a package that actually has my books in a bubble wrap, because bubble wrap doesn't safely and securely store my book when it goes from warehouse to my house. However, CreateSpace nails this. In this particular instance, they sent these two books in a rather large-sized box. Normally, when I've ordered some books through CreateSpace, they will put it in a small delivery package, kind of like what I show here inside this picture. Now, as far as the quality goes, you really can't find much better than what CreateSpace's printers have done. These are both glossy covers, and the one being the actual just journal here is a white paper. It's not too bad. And then we have this other one. This one actually is cream colored. So both of them are great cuts. The glossiness, you can smudge up a little bit, but for the most part, all you got to do is just wipe it off and it's clean fairly quickly. As far as the cover placement goes, there's really no distinguishing difference than most books you're going to find in any bookstore. However, my own personal experience, it varies from one cut to the next. Overall, I think that there's many notes that other online distribution platforms can take from CreateSpace and how they fulfill the print orders. I've never been too happy with the delivery time with CreateSpace, but I've been super happy with how I've received it. The corrugated boxing really helps with my peace of mind as well as the overall safety of my book, so it shows up in great condition. What do you think? Do you like having your books in pristine condition when you order them? Do you think your readers feel that way? I definitely would love to hear from you. That's about all I have to say about CreateSpace today. However, we're going to continue pushing forward in the self-published book unboxing series. So you're going to want to make sure that you head right over to the next video where we're going to discuss another distribution platform. I'll see you there.